Creations Crafting on a Budget. Today's video is 2 Valentine's Day DIY gift ideas that you can make for under $10 for that special someone that you want to give a gift to this Valentine's Day. In today's video, I am getting together with Kim over at Creative Crafticality. If you have not stopped by her channel, make sure to stop by her channel. You can find the link to her channel in the description box below. She does some amazing journaling, and she also does planning in her planner that you will not want to miss. She is sure to show you how to stay organized and prepare for your week. She also does some DIYs, so make sure to stop by her channel to see what she's got going for her Valentine's Day DIY. And I also want to let you all know that I have gotten a lot of requests for the KB Creations t-shirts and sweatshirts that you see me wearing in a lot of my videos. You can now find those on teespring.com. I will leave the links to those in the description box below, where you can find hoodies, sweatshirts, t-shirts, and mugs in the colors of black and white. And so as time goes on, I will definitely increase the merchandise, but to get started, that is what is available, and both links are in the description box below. So let's jump into these 2 DIYs that I'm bringing to you today that you can make for under $10. For this project, I picked up one of these glass vases from the Dollar Tree, 2 bags of these white rocks, and some Valentine's Day ribbon. I'll also be using 4 pieces of felt that I picked up from Walmart at 23 cents a piece in the colors of pinks and red and white, and a tree branch. Both of the Valentine DIYs that I'll be bringing to you today, I'll be making felt flowers. Now these felt flowers are nothing new. They are flowers that have been around for a really long time. Typically, they're made out of paper. I personally wanted the felt look, so I'll be making them out of felt. I'm gonna take my felt piece and I'm gonna fold it in 3s evenly. Once I've folded it in 3s, I'm gonna take and cut the folds. Then I'm gonna fold my 3 pieces in half and cut up the fold again, giving us 6 squares. Now with all the felt squares, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut a spiral circle. And I'm just gonna freehand this. I'm not looking for perfection. Now I'm gonna take my scissors and I am going to cut the excess felt off, leaving me with this spiral circle. I'm gonna do that to all of my felt squares. Once you've cut all your squares into spiral circles, you're gonna take this outside edge here and just very simply roll it in. So you're left with this. Then I'm gonna take and just loosen up my petals. Pulling some up, making them just a bit uneven, and loosening it up. Giving us a rose. We're gonna flip it over, and on this center piece here, and there you've got an adorable felt rose. And for this part of the project, there is no need to go out and buy a tree branch. When it's wintertime, the leaves are off of our trees. And whose tree doesn't need a little bit of pruning? And voila, this makes for the perfect tree branch for our project. Taking the tree branch that I just cut, I'm gonna place it inside my Dollar Tree vase, and taking my first bag of rocks, I'm gonna pour them in. I'm gonna take the felt roses that I made and I'm gonna hot glue them in different places all over the tree branch. Now all that's left to do is to put a bow. Isn't this so stinking gorgeous? I absolutely love this, and what I love about it is that it's so different than anything else that you see on Valentine's Day, and that was exactly what I was going for this Valentine's Day. I didn't want to do the traditional Valentine's Day decor. And how much did this cost me to make? $5. It doesn't get any better than that. For this project, I'll be using one of these 8x10 canvas panels, some black and brown liquid shoe polish, 2 pieces of cream felt, and these letters that I had in my stash that I picked up from the 99-cent store that I used in a previous project. I'm gonna start this project off by taking one of these 8x10 canvas panels that I picked up from Walmart. I picked this 3-pack up from Walmart because it was $2.97 and it was just as inexpensive as going to the Dollar Tree. Using this brown liquid shoe polish that you can get from the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, I'm gonna take and give this canvas a bit of a wood look. I'll also be using the black shoe polish just to kind of give it a color variation. Alrighty, I am happy with the color that I've gotten. I'm gonna set this aside and let it dry. For this next Valentine's Day gift, we're gonna be using the same flowers. I'm just gonna be making them a bit smaller. So I'm gonna take my felt, I'm gonna fold it in half, then in half again. I'm gonna cut along the folds. I'm gonna take my strip and fold it in 3s. Then cut my spiral circle out of these squares. And this here is the size flower that I'll be using for this project. My canvas is dry, and look at how amazing this turned out by just simply using black and brown liquid shoe polish that you can pick up at any 99-cent store or any dollar store. It is a nice alternative to paint. If you don't want to use shoe polish, go ahead and paint your canvas or just leave it white. I've made a bunch of these mini cream roses. Now watch how stinking cute this is and what I'm gonna do with them. Now using these stickers that I picked up a while ago from the 99-cent store that I used in a previous project. Isn't that stinking adorable? How simple and easy was this to do? And to display it, you could drill holes in the top and hang it by twine if you'd like. And if you don't have a drill, use one of Dollar Tree's easels to display it. Under $10 to make. These 2 DIYs here are what I will be gifting this Valentine's Day, and I most definitely think that it will be liked by the people I'm gifting it to this year. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for these DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas that I just think are so fun, and I am so excited to gift them this year. Don't forget to head on over to Kim's channel, Creative Crafticality, if you haven't been there yet. Show her some love and see what she's doing for this Valentine's Day for her loved ones. Please give this video a thumbs up, And if you're new to my channel and you've come over from Kim's, welcome, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Click that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. And don't forget, if I've inspired you to make one of my projects, snap a quick picture of it, send it to me on Facebook or Instagram, because I love seeing all of your creations and I can feature them in an upcoming video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day, happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.